Hi there, James here from Merlin, and we're in the Merlin test bay. This video is about setting the limits and the forces for our new Commander Ultimate residential jackshaft operator. As you can see, the Commander Ultimate is already installed, and the first thing you need to do when setting the limits and the forces for the Commander Ultimate is get access to the program buttons. So you need to open up the cover, just put your hand at the bottom, you'll notice the entrance to the cover, and opening that up slowly until it's locked in position. You'll now notice the three buttons positioned in the middle of the operator. We have our up limit button, our down limit button, and in the middle there is what's known as the program or adjustment button. So step number one in setting the limits is you need to hold on to the program or adjustment buttons until the up limit button begins to flash. So you'll notice there the orange light on the up limit button beginning to flash. This means that now we can set the open and up direction into the position we want the garage door to be opened at. So what I'm going to do is hold on to the up limit button until I'm happy with the open position of the garage door. I'm now happy with the open position of the garage door. So once I want to confirm that to the operator, you need to press the adjustment or program button, like so. Then you'll notice the down limit button flash. That means that now we need to set the close position of the garage door by again holding the button. What you really want in the closed position is for the door to kiss the surface, so it's completely closed and secure. I'm now happy with the position, so now I will be pressing the program or adjustment button to confirm that with the operator. We have now set the limits for the Commander Ultimate. The next step is for the operator to learn its forces. This is a very simple process because it's automatically done by just simply pressing a couple of the buttons. You'll notice first here is the orange up limit button beginning to flash. So what you need to do is just press the button and then the operator will open, learning its forces. It's now learned its forces in the up direction and now needs to learn its forces in the down direction. So you'll notice the down limit button beginning to flash. Again, all you need to do is press the button. The operator has now closed the door completely in the closed position that we have set. The limits and the forces are now completed. All that needs to be done is for you to close the cover. If you have any questions, please contact us at Merlin.